Alright, so I wanted to let y'all talk to you about this hair that I have on. I already put it on, cut the lace and everything. I was kind of thinking about, should I done a get ready with me, because I already put on my makeup. But I don't know what to call it. But I know I wanted to talk about this wig that I have, that I got. Talking about this wig. It's a 13 by 4 lace front wig. It was off black, basically, the natural brown color. And I colored it black. I got some black hair color, I colored it black. It's 18 inches. Now, I wanted to talk about this and talk about these magnet eyelashes that I want to try out. So I want to get ready and then show you how the whole final look at these cute outfits that I had got. And I want to let y'all see me in the outfits and y'all tell me what you think. Okay, so this hair is a body wave. Now, I had some complaints about it because I got this from Dyhair777. You see how pretty it is? It's very soft, it's very pretty. It is very soft, not a whole lot of shedding, so I have that where I say it's gorgeous. Only thing is, I don't know what Dyhair777 part of my complaint is. I don't know why they've been cutting it around the sides, like have it short up here lately. The wigs, they've been having it short up around the top. I'm not understanding that. And it's a little thinner than what they used to be. This is 130 density. And it's a little thinner than what they used to have. And at first I was kind of upset. I was mad because the cap was huge. I got a little head and I asked for a small cap. I think by mistake they gave me a bigger cap because it was too big. So I end up, it had pretty baby hairs and all that around it. I end up having to cut most of the front off so it can fit on my hair right, or it would be so big. Then they send you elastic band, so I had an elastic band and I sewed the elastic band on there. So I sewed on the elastic band, and I don't like all that lace. It's just too much wrong. I usually cut it off around my ears, all that, and make it, you know, gel down my sides, because it be cutting the side of my ear and it just lifts up so easily, and that drives me crazy. So but I have to say, after I finally did it, it took a minute for it to even lay down. I was trying to figure out what is going on. So I was really pissed at first when I first got it, because I done wore, like I said, I already wore it at first, and then I didn't do a review, and now I'm doing my review on it because now I'm loving it. But I had to cut off a lot of the hair in the front of the lace. But it finally, once I got it together, I don't know what type of, the lace wouldn't lay. In the beginning, it wouldn't lay. I was getting frustrated, I was getting pissed. It would not lay down. I guess I had been working for a while, take a step from it for a minute, and now I got it where I get to lay down really quick. Really nice. I put mousse on it, and I put mousse on it to give me a little bit of baby hair, but it was hard to go ahead and pluck around the top front because I ended up cutting it so much in back of the hair, and it has thick knots in it, and I don't bleach knots. So I only put color down the part, so it had thick knots in it, so it was hard to do that. So I was like, just forget it, you know. So I just went on to lay this down. But like I said, once I got used to it, I love the way it curls. Now I'm gonna show y'all me curling it. I love the way it curls. I love the way it feels. So I have to give that. So like I said, and usually I don't have too many complaints with Dyhair777, but I did kind of have some. I was about pissed for it, but it all came together at the end. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna curl it up and let us see what it looks like, how easy it curls. Curls really nicely. Throw these curls in there, see? You see that? How pretty and easy it curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these curls in there, and then we're gonna talk about these magnet eyelashes I got. So, and another thing about this hair, I didn't pay a whole lot for it. I kind of forget, honestly. It wasn't, so that's probably, I'm thinking maybe that might have been why I wasn't, I was having issues, because, and it was like, you know, gotta pay what you know, you get what you pay for. I'm not sure, but Yeah, I think I paid probably about $150, $160 for this wig. And you know, on all them websites now they get the payment plan. I love that. Love that payment plan deal. But you see how easy, and it just, I said I was upset, but once, like I said, I got used to it and get to playing with it and get that lace to lay down and get it to fit on my head. It was so big. I was so hurt and upset. But once I finally figured it out and get the lace and everything situated, I'm kind of in love with it. Honestly, I'm kind of in love, but they need to make sure that these caps ain't too big and make sure they give you the right size, because that sucker was huge. And I was so mad because my head is little. I'd be almost wanting to ask them to give me a custom size wig on a lot of these places, because my head little. I ain't got no big monster dome, big old monster head. I just don't. So I just want a little bit of curl. I don't want a whole lot of real big, huge curl. I just want a little bit of curl. And see how pretty that's coming off? Just a little bit. Let me put some up here. But it's a nice, like I said, body wave. I don't know, like I said, and I don't know what it is, because the other wig I got from them, they put like a little, cut a little bang or something on it, and I didn't order that. And they did something with this one too, cut out, or the way they cutting it, they ain't cutting it right, or call themselves putting layers. It don't do right. You had to go in there and fix it. I had to go in there and shape it up, which is cool. But when you haven't ordered that, you shouldn't be getting that if you haven't ordered it. That's what I'm saying. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But see how the curls is coming out really nice. And I get it laid. Like I said, I don't have that extra hairline lacy look, because like I told you, I cut all that off because it was just too, oh my God, it was just too, cap was just too big. Ugh. So I had to cut all that off. And I was wondering, I said, well, I might not be able to save this, which I'm pretty good at knowing how to get wigs and tweak them how I need to or whatever, but I didn't know. You know, sometimes you don't know. But I was able to go ahead and fix this. And then another thing, I did have a complaint about this wig was a lot of the wefts was coming up. It's like the wefts wasn't sewn in well. So I was unhappy about that, because I have wefts sticking up in it, you know. And I'm just not, it's just like this one wasn't constructed well, or they might get a little lax on how they're constructing their wigs or whatever may have you, and that's not a good thing, because it just, like I said, was not constructed well. So I wasn't too happy about that. So that's another thing. So when I had to go in and do a lot of sewing and all that, and I paid you, I shouldn't have to do that. Yeah, I shouldn't have to do that. And the lace was so hard, and again, I couldn't get it to lay down around my face. I mean, even to glue it down. So if I didn't glue it down, I'm trying to figure out how is it gonna stay. If I didn't put that band on, baby, it been sticking out big, like I don't know what. It was, I've been looking crazy, honestly. So yeah, they gotta do better. They gotta do a lot better about that. That wasn't cool. It was not cool at all. Cause if I didn't, like I said, and if I wasn't wanting to try to work with it, I would have been in it turned the wrong way. I'd be in probably threw the wig away. You know, so if I didn't know how to work with it, somebody else probably just throw it away or give it to somebody with a bigger head. I don't know, but yeah, there we go. See, so I just wanted a little bit of something, curl a little something up here, a little tighter. Okay, y'all, so since we got that done, let's talk about these lashes I got. I gotta try them on. I got these from Amazon. This is the box. They gave me a whole box. Let me put it up there and let you see the name of it. I ordered these from Amazon. They gave me a whole kit. Now, mind you, I ordered this from Amazon. It was $10.99. $10.99 for 10 lashes. I thought that was amazing. And this is what they give you. Now, this is a magnet eyelashes, okay? This is what they gave me. All these different sizes and looks. I would like that. But check this out. They give you little scissors. This is the eyelash glue slash I guess magnet glue or whatever. It's like a, you know, you put it on there. They gave you that. And then they gave you this. Now I was just too excited about this because they gave you the little, you know, carrying case little kit with that in there. Got it upside down, I think. Yeah, that's cute. Then you open it up, y'all. They give you some more lashes and some more glue. Ain't that neat? In a little container. I was like, okay, so you end up getting 12 lashes, 2 glue or whatever stick, magnetic glue, whatever, to put the lashes on. The little scissors, okay? And then, check this out. You know, let's get the mirror and everything in, but check this out. Then they give you the, inside there, they give you this to be able to put your eyelashes on. Let me see if I can focus up on me. Cause again, you know, so you be able to put the thing to be able to clamp the lashes on. Ain't that neat? I'm like, oh wow. For $10.99 Amazon? Yes, ma'am. And I can't even pronounce his name, so that's the reason why I put that is, I can't pronounce the name. That's the reason why I got it up there for you guys to be able to see. You see that? I didn't focus. Y'all can see my camera in there in the glare. But that's the name of it. So, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these lashes on, y'all, and see how, let y'all see me put them on and see how they stay. They get different lengths. And some of the lengths, I don't like nothing too wild unless I'm just really going somewhere dramatic. But they get where you can, you know, cut it and everything, because a lot of them lashes be too long for me. So we gonna try this, y'all. All right, so let me go ahead and get my little, try my little thing that they gave me. I was so excited about that. I'm gonna keep these in here. I'm gonna try use the ones that I got already in the thing. But yes, and a nice little, like I said, the case is nice. This is what it is. Instructions is very simple and easy on the back. Tell you what to do. That's it. So let's work this, y'all. Let's see what we can come up with, how it come up. So if I need to cut them or what way have you, because a lot of times they are too long for me. So if I have to cut the strips or whatever, so I get my other little tweezers and I want to see which ones I want to do. These are really magnet, y'all. They stick on the magnet. Oh my God. Like, I just took it off. They are really magnet, like on the, it's stuck on the, with a magnet, bam, it just sticks on there. I'm really impressed. It has a little strip on here that's all magnet right here that it sticks to. I'm like, wow. Okay, so we get ready to put this glue on. What did I do with it? The glue is in this little tube right here. And you just put it on your eyelash, on your eyelid. So I don't want to cut them too short because they got the magnets on there. So I don't know if I want to cut them. Okay, that's the wrong guy. I have to use this eye. Okay. All right, y'all see, this is me putting it on. Only thing when I put this on here, put it on there, the little magnet thing be wanting to stick to this because it's metal. That's the only thing about that. So I'm trying to figure this out, y'all. Let's see. Oh, on either side, on either thing, when I put the metal to it, honey, it wants to pop up. That's the only thing about that. See, that's that eye. But it still keep popping up off here. You can't be somewhere and it keep popping up on the side now. So you see I outlined that and stuck that on there. So I don't know if it's supposed to dry or, and then they say these are reusable. Just clean them, be careful when how you clean them, and then you can keep reusing them. So, I got it on there. It's on there, see? Okay, so now we're gonna get to the next one. I don't know if it's some magnetic something in the glue to make this stay or what. I don't know, but it's my curls. I don't know, but look at that, y'all. That's something, right? Okay, if they stay and don't pop off, you go out. So, okay, y'all. Well, that is my look. Let me get dressed and let me show y'all the finishing look with my little outfits and everything, and show y'all the finishing look. But so I'm definitely gonna go out and try to, you know, paint the town in COVID with a mask on without the makeup. But let me put my lipstick and stuff on, my outfit on, and give y'all the finishing look. All right. Back.